Today is Thursday, April 5th, and Maria is making breakfast again. We didn't really talk to the camera yesterday at all, did we?
No, a little bit at the museum.
Yeah. So what did we do? We woke up
Yesterday?
Oh, yeah. Woke up very grumpy. So we got like 4 hours of sleep. And then got right on the road because we wanted to meet my friend Carolyn, or Schnur. It's kind of weird calling her Carolyn. That night we ended up driving through torrential rain. Ended up at a Walmart parking lot that was fortunately pretty clearly safe for RVs. And we're racked out and then had to get right back up 4 hours later. But then we had a great day. Arrived at Pensacola just in time to see the end of the Blue Angels practicing. We got to see my friend on our lunch break. And then we walked around that museum, Naval Aviation Museum. There was still tons of stuff to see, and we both just kind of like got zonked out. Partly it was the lack of sleep. We needed to get something to eat. It's a big old museum, so there's a lot of cool stuff to see there.
Fantastic museum, like all those planes and like showing the history of it.
Yeah, they had like what stores and homes looked like back then, and then they also had like life aboard a ship.
When your parachute fails to open, return same, and we will give you a new one.
I was geeking out on how like the 50 cal machine gun still looks pretty much exactly like it did. The flight ops stuff kind of looked the same. I was pointing out some of the stuff to Maria. That's exactly the same now. From where the pilots plan their flights to the way the maintenance guys annotated what was going on with all the aircraft on the carrier. It was really cool to look in there and geek out on some of the details. So I didn't realize how long drones have been around, because the Edna 3 is a World War II era remotely controlled aircraft. It would take off and be controlled from the back seat of an airplane that would follow it. The plaque said they were developed in 1941. So I don't know what the first 36. I'm surprised by how sophisticated that thing is for how old it is. We've got about 2 hours. Well, on the Shasta, it's probably 3 hours to get to Gainesville. What do I look like?
You look like you're about to fire a laser at me.
That sounds pretty cool, though. Do I look cool right now?
You look amazing. Oh my god. I can't believe you're my boyfriend right now.
Steve.
This is how cool you are.
Thank you.
Thanks, dude.
Eric and I.
Woo!
Are you GoPro?
Yeah.
Yay, it's working.
Okay, I think that's good.
It works!
What?